Hello and welcome to lesson number 2, number 100 to 5 million. In this question, you are going to read a text about Amazon forest and you are going to match the numbers with the categories. The categories are kinds of mosquitoes, plants, types of fruits, people, length of the river, and types of butterflies. Write the correct alphabet in the given blank. Now you are going to listen and say the numbers.
Listen and say the numbers.
100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1,000,000, 500, 3,000, 40,000, 200,000, 5,000,000.
This question is a writing question. You are going to write these figures in words. The first one has been done for you. You are going to read a text. In that text, you are going to read about 3 continents and their rivers. The 3 continents which you are going to read are America, Asia, and Africa. While reading, find the answer of this question. Which continent has the longest rivers in total?